Hello everyone. In this video we will introduce keyboard mapping. It allows you to set custom shortcuts for quick control with either keyboard or a cue light. Go to Settings. Keyboard, common commands are like teleprompter page turning, volume control, switching plan, effects adjustment and more. Here let's use play pause on PowerPoint. First, make sure the video in your PowerPoint has been checked automatically start. By pressing Ctrl-Alt-P, we can control the video. Select the desired command, then press a keyboard key or a cue light button to complete the binding. Multi-button cue light can also be mapped to plan switching, volume adjustment, and other operations, allowing for remote control. That's all of today's video. Thank you for watching.